Y'all, we fresh off of work. I have been eyeing this patio umbrella because I have been trying to do my deck over, and I am trying to get some new deck furniture, get my patio right, get ready for the summer. I am gonna run to BJ's to get a start on the backyard. So let's go. So I want this set so bad, y'all. I want this set so bad. I'm waiting to get it. I'm waiting for it to go down. This is how much it is. This is the umbrella that I want. The offset 11-foot aluminum umbrella with the stand, and it is $3.49. So I'm gonna see if I can get this. Now this is, you see how long the box is? So this is where I think I'm gonna have to break it down or unpack it and see if I can just like throw it in my car. I just came across some really nice grills, y'all, and my grill just happens to have broken over the weekend. So I'm thinking, so this grill is $140. I'm thinking that I want to get it. So guys, we got the umbrella. Oh, if I can't. We got the umbrella and we got the grill. Yes, y'all. It fit in the car. It worked out perfectly, y'all. Okay, guys. So it is the next day. I did not get a chance to put it together that night. So it's the next day and we're going to attempt to put it together. So it's going to be me and my little helper. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. All right, guys. So how you doing? Good. So it comes in 2 pieces. So this is part 2 and this is part 1. So we're gonna go ahead and attempt to put this together.